You ever wake up feeling like your body's still carrying yesterday? Tight hips, boggy mind, that heaviness that shows up before the day even begins? Let's hit the mat. Before we move, we ground. Drop your knees wide, big toes together, and sink your hips back into child's pose. Let your forehead rest. Reach your arms forward, or let them fall by your sides if that feels safer today. This position tells your nervous system it's okay to exhale. You're not behind, you're here, and that's enough. I promise just 1 minute in this shape can shift your breath, your stress, and your mindset. Did you know this pose mimics the fetal position? It reconnects your body to its original place of safety and reset. Feel your spine lengthen. Let your breath get deeper. Can you soften your jaw? Can you release that tension behind your eyes? Hold it for 5 more seconds. Let's build from this place of rest. Lie flat on your back, feet hip width apart. Now drive through your heels, squeeze your glutes, and lift your hips. This isn't just a butt exercise, it's a reactivation of your entire posterior chain. When you're grounded and strong in the back side of your body, you carry less stress in the front. I promise this move protects your spine and rebalances your posture. Beginners start with small lifts. Advanced stretches, add a pause at the top and really squeeze. Most people don't realize your glutes are shock absorbers. If you're asleep, your lower back takes the hit. Last 5 seconds, squeeze balance depends on it, because it does. Now, that just woke up your base. Let's unstick your hips. Sit on the floor, feet flat in front of you, knees bent. Place your hands behind you. Slowly drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center and alternate. This looks simple, but it unlocks one of the most neglected parts of your body: internal hip rotation. Hips, lower back pain, stiff walking. And this right here is the secret. I promise restoring this motion will change how you walk, sit, and move. Do you feel one side tighter than the other? If yes, don't skip this next move. It'll help balance you out. Let's add some rotation now and wake up your whole chain. Stand up, drop into a deep squat, elbows inside your knees. Now plant one hand on the ground or grab your ankle and reach the other to the sky. Twist, switch sides. This is one of my favorite compound stretches. It gives you ankle mobility, hip opening, thoracic spine rotation, and posture correction all in one. Beginners, hold on to something for balance. Advanced stretches, try it slow and deep. Feel the full range. Can you stay grounded and rotate tall? Do you feel that spine releasing? That stored tension letting go? That just unlocked your rotation. Now let's seal it in with stillness. Sit tall, bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall open. Hold your feet or ankles. Lift through your spine, then gently lean forward with a straight back. This stretch opens your inner thighs, pelvic floor, and groin, areas that tighten during stress and sitting. These muscles are directly connected to your core stability. Free them, and your posture upgrades instantly. Can you let gravity do the work without fighting it? Close your eyes. Breathe in for 4, out for 6. This is your exhale moment.